have a down area near the posting terminal, right? And the bottom also different with another one, but this is laser weighting, same with Tesla's Gen 2. Let's measure the voltage and IR. The voltage is 3.19, 3.2, near the 3.2, and the IR is 0.3, near the 0.3. Okay, near 0.3. Let me show the bottom cup. Bottom cup is different with before one. Before he have the explosion pro line is inside from outside to push, and the new one is the same position, but the new one is add the liquid rejection port in the middle. It's the same with it's very uniquely with Tesla's Gen 1 and different for the Gen 2, right? So we have repair some of the PPT. So please to check our PPT. We have some data can prepare to you. So during the water introduce, we just to tear down the cell.
The topic we're covering today is about the Tesla 4680 and BMW Gen 6 4695 battery cells, their performance and structural analysis. The content I'm sharing today mainly covers two aspects. First, performance analysis, and second, battery cell structure. So let's move on to the first part, performance analysis. First, this page shows the electrochemical performance. 4680 battery cells of the Tesla. It's the first generation cell. From the chart, we can see that under CCCV charge discharge conditions, the nominal capacity is 25 ampere-hour. Voltage range is 2.5 volts to 4.3 volts, and the discharge capacity reaches 23.35 ampere-hour. The discharge energy is 86.5 watt-hours. Average discharge voltage is 3.7 volts, and mass energy density is 240 for watt-hour a kilogram. When tested at 0.1 C rate between 3 volts and 4.2 volts. Now look at the discharge capacity. At 2.8 amps, it delivers 22.03 ampere-hour, and at 25 amps, it's 19.98 ampere-hour, with a capacity retention rate that's still quite high, at 90.7%. Next, let's take a look at a comparison of the charge and discharge performance between Tesla's and BMW's battery cells. This is under 0.33 C rate conditions for the Tesla 4680. Here are the key figures. Weight is 344.5 grams. Volume is 0.133 liter. And test voltage range is 2.75 volts to 4.25 volts. We can see the discharge capacity is 22.8 ampere-hour. Discharge energy is 83.40 watt-hour. Mass energy density is 242.70 watt-hours per kilogram. And volume energy density is 627 watt-hours per liter. For BMW's battery cells, nominal capacity is higher at 32.5 ampere-hour. And its weight is also heavier than Tesla's at 414.8 grams. Its discharge capacity is 32.12 ampere-hour. Discharge energy is 114.41 watt-hours, but the average discharge voltage is lower at 3.54 volt. BMW's mass energy density is 275.8 watt-hour per kilogram, and volume energy density is 724.1 watt-hours per liter. The second part is about the structural analysis of the battery cells.